Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey and her daughter will show you how to prepare a delicious orange and walnut Swiss roll cake. These are the ingredients for the batter. The ingredients for the two fillings and the ingredients for the icing. Preparatory steps: grease a 13 by 9 inch baking tin and line it with greaseproof or parchment paper. Also preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Let's move on to the first step and prepare the batter. So add in the egg whites to a large mixing bowl. Then add in 2 tablespoons of the required amount of sugar and whisk until stiff. Now set aside. Then add in the egg yolks and the remaining sugar to another mixing bowl and whisk until the mixture is pale and leaves a thick trail. Add in the orange zest and the orange juice to the egg yolks mixture and mix. Then gently fold in the egg yolks mixture into the egg whites mixture until it is just combined. Now sift in the baking powder and the plain flour and very gently fold it into the mixture. Please remember, do not overmix. With this, the batter is ready. So pour the batter into a prepared baking tin and spread it out so that the base of the tin is evenly covered. Then bake in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until done. In Trickey's case, it took exactly 12 minutes. Then remove from the oven when done. The cake is done when the skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Also, the cake should be gently springy and should have left the sides of the tin. From this point on, Trickey's daughter takes over. So lightly dust icing sugar over a sheet of baking paper. Then flip the cake over the baking paper and peel off the lining. Then carefully roll, starting with a tight turn to make a good round shape. Use the baking paper to lift and roll and leave to cool in the rolled up position. Remember, roll up the Swiss roll while it is still warm to prevent it from cracking. Now let's prepare the filling. So add in the listed ingredients to a mixing bowl. That's the double cream or the whipped cream, the orange flavored liqueur, the caster sugar, a pinch of salt, and the orange zest. Whip until the mixture just holds its shape. And with this, we have prepared the orange whipped cream filling. Now let's prepare the orange glaze icing. So add in the orange blossom water to the sifted icing sugar. You could use orange juice or orange liqueur in place of the orange blossom water. Then gradually add in the water only if required and mix until it is of a pourable consistency. And with this, we have prepared the orange glaze icing. Now carefully unroll the Swiss roll and spread the orange whipped cream filling evenly all over the surface. With the first filling in place, let's move on to the second filling. So sprinkle chopped walnuts evenly over the orange whipped cream. So now that the two fillings are in place, slowly roll the cake up with the help of the baking paper. And position the Swiss roll with the seam underneath. Then pipe the orange glaze icing all over the Swiss roll and allow it to drip down the sides. Please note, you need to act fast while the icing is still soft and has not yet set. And finish off by topping the Swiss roll with walnuts and orange rind. You can use your creativity at this point to decorate as you wish. Then trim off the edges and slice neatly and transfer onto a serving plate and enjoy with a hot cup of your favorite English or evening tea. And there you have it, a luscious orange and walnut Swiss roll. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on the screen right now and watch another video and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet.